good YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Alxr, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can take the creases out of your Air Force. Pretty simply, this is a pretty easy method to follow. You can see I've got these Air Force here. They look really creased, they look really bad. Wait till you see the other one, the other pair, the other shoe looks terrible. Look at those creases, they look really bad. So basically in this video I'm going to show you a method that I found out about years ago. I'm not entirely sure who came up with this method, but whoever did, shout out to you because it works really well. So a couple of years back, basically I used to wear Air Force all the time and I never knew how to take the creases out. Then I found out that if you use an iron and a wet towel and you just go over the top, it takes the creases out like you would with like a t-shirt or something. So in this video that's the method that I'm going to be showing you, how to just use an iron to take the creases out of your Air Force 1s. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to let me know in the comments. Also leave a thumbs up too if you are new to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below, turn on the post, get notifications when I upload. Without further ado, I'm going to get into showing you how to take the creases out of your Air Force 1s. Let's go. So you're going to need two towels. Got this one here. This one's going to be used to stuff up inside the shoe. You can use socks or like clothes or anything that can be stuffed inside the shoe to push the creases out. So this is a towel that I'm going to be using, and then you also need a towel for the top of the shoes. So basically the towel just goes over the top of the shoes, and then the heat and then the iron can just go on top just like that. You got to make sure though that the towel you're going to be using for that part is the same colour as the shoes, because if you also use a green towel, if you use like a blue towel, a green towel, any towel that isn't the same colour as the shoes, the dye might come off onto the shoes from the heat. So because I'm using a pair of white Air Force, I'm going to use a white towel. So once you've turned the iron on, all you got to do is wait for it to heat up, and in that time we're just going to take one of the towels, the white towel, because the Air Force are white, and we don't want to use a different colour towel because the ink and the dye off the towel might go onto the shoes. So we're going to use a white towel and go and make that damp. That way then we can put that over the top of the shoes and then just take those creases out. So whilst the iron's on, I'm going to go and damp up the towel. So just turn the tap on, and then we're only going to get the ends in, so it's just slightly damp. And if you just wring that out to make sure all the water's out, because you only want it damp, you don't want it to be wet, because it just won't work, because the heat of the iron has got to go through to get to the leather. Okay, so the towel's damp now, and then we'll just go and take the creases out of the Air Force. The first thing we've got to do is use an old towel and then stuff that in the inside of the shoe to stuff the creases out, and then when the iron goes on top, you can just iron out the creases pretty easily rather than having to like use your fingers to press up inside. The first thing I'm going to do though to make it easier is I'm just going to take out the laces. Cool, so now the laces are out, it's much easier to get the towel in there now, and I'm just going to take the front of the towel, not bunching it up or anything, but just doing it like that and then pushing it to the front of the shoe. Okay, so now as you can see the towel is stuffed up right against this side. You can see it's solid because the towel is pushing up against it, and you can see the creases are really bad in these. These were a super old pair, so obviously they're going to be super creased. So now that we've done that, just going to take the white towel and then we can start ironing and getting those creases out. Okay, so now that we've got the damp towel and the Air Force ready, just going to get this part where the creases are along here. I'm going to get the damp part and just lay that over the top like so. Make sure the iron has heated up first fully, and then along this bit here is going to take the creases out of these bits. Cool, so when your iron has completely heated up, you can just go ahead and iron over the top of the towel. And then just check to make sure it's working. Whoa, okay, that's working. It's working a lot better than I thought it was going to. Jeez. Alright, I'm going to carry on doing it. It's been a long time since I've done this, so I forgot how well it worked. You can see the crease here is completely gone. Completely gone. Go do this part here and get this bit done as well. So this towel's kind of got a bit dry in this area because of the heat from the iron, because it's so hot. So just going to use another damp part of the towel now. It's really working on the bottom bit. It's really working now. So it's just there. Alright, it's almost out. You can see the bottom bit's gone, but the top bit's there. So just trying to get that top bit out. Use another damp part of the towel. So it's just there. Right, you can see the creases are so close to being out. So as you can see, a lot of the creasing has gone. You can see this bit right here, it's almost gone. That is like so much better than before. Gotta do this bit now, and then I'm going to go over it to make sure all of these little lines go, because you can still see the little lines of where the actual material was folded, but the creases are pretty much gone. So it's going to go over this bit and then go over the shoe once again to make sure that the little lines have completely gone. So these bits here, just along here, and get rid of those parts. So it's going to go over this bit now, this bit, and then make sure the little lines go as well. So just going over it, just trying to get all of the little bits out now, because like the main creases are completely gone. Just trying to get rid of those small little ones. And using the tip of the iron as well to really get in there. Okay, I've pretty much shown you how to get the creases out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep going over it because I don't want to spend too long on it, make the video too long. I'm just going to keep going over it, get all of the creases out, and that way then I can show you before and after. So I'm going to do that in about 3, 2, 1. Here's the before and after, and you can see just how well it works now. So that was how to take the creases out of your Air Force Ones. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this method. Personally, I think it works really well, and you can see in the before and after how much it can drastically change the shoes. So before they go from like being super creased to not as creased. Obviously you can't get all of the creases out, like the really deep ones. They can definitely make the shoes look better. If you did enjoy this video and if you did find it helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, turn on the bell to get notifications when I upload these pretty regularly. So if you do want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike.